Hi, I'm Andrew Berry and welcome to At the Bench's YouTube channel. Just received this box from Durston. It's one of their professional task lights that we're going to be able to use on our jeweler's bench. Comes very well packaged up in here. This is the UK version. This is a black version. Let me just unbox it and I can show you exactly what the light is all about. In the polystyrene outer, we have everything really well packaged. This is the bracket that we're going to use to attach this to our bench. It's got a nice large throat upon the clamp that will fit very nicely onto the sides of our bench. It has some information regarding the unit and everything else is really packaged up extremely well. This is the plug and transformer. And the main light unit itself. Just remove all the packaging. Okay, so this is the main unit. This is the power supply. We have the bracket on our bench already, and this little piece is like an angle poise light. This little section here locates into the bracket, and it works on the angle poise system. So it's got a fantastic reach on it. It'll go anywhere on your bench. It'll swivel. And it's an absolutely brilliant amount of coverage. It's 500 millimeters from either side, and the housing contains 182 LEDs with a nice diffused covering. It has 3 different color temperature modes. It has 3000 Kelvin, 4500 Kelvin and 6000 Kelvin. The brightest is 1600 lumens. They are simply operated from the one switch that we've got on the top. We simply tap that once, we have the 3000 Kelvin. Now, you also got the advantage that you could alter the brightness as well of this particular light from 30% right up to 100%. You can access that by simply keeping your finger pressed upon the actual switch itself. It dims, goes down. When it gets down to 30%, you can take your finger off or whatever percentage you want it, finger back on, and it'll go right back up then to the 100%, as we've got there. Tap the switch again. It comes to the next brightness, which is 4500 Kelvin. And again, you can alter the brightness between 30 and 100%. Tap it again, it comes to the 6000 Kelvin, which is daylight. And again, you can alter the brightness by keeping your finger on the switch. It'll go dimmer, keep it pressed, and it'll come back bright again. To turn the unit off, double tap, and the unit goes off. That's it. We've had 2 of these down in our workshops downstairs now for the past 2 to 3 months. Totally reliable, absolutely brilliant. The color, the coverage is absolutely superb on our benches. It covers exactly where you want it. You can bring the light nice and low if you're working nice and close up. You can take it further up above as well. If you're doing any soldering on your bench, you can always turn the light off. And also you can also reduce the brightness as well, which is very handy if you happen to be annealing and you need to see the color of the metal. So that is Durston's professional task light, available in the UK versions, US and EU versions as well. Please subscribe. I'd love you to smash that bell icon to be notified when we have films going live on our YouTube channel. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, and I'd love you to share this film with all your friends. And I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.